Hello guys, my name is Lamia. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I clean my tilapia step by step, and I'm gonna show you all the spices that I use to season it. Also, I'm gonna give you tips on how to make it crispy when you fry it. Before we start guys, I just want to warn you that there are some images that contain a little bit of blood and kind of black disgusting stuff. But using a lot of water, we're gonna rinse that fish really good. You see there is a black stuff here, that's what I want to get into it. This is need to be cleaned really good because this is have bad smell and aftertaste. And even the black stuff at the side, you need to clean it really good. We're almost done here. We're just going to rinse it with a lot of water. See how white and clean, no blood, no black stuff. As I mentioned, it's very important to clean your tilapia, clean it really good from inside. But if you don't want to do the dirty work, you can just buy a fish from the fish markets. They will clean it for you and even cut it for you. They make it ready for you. But for me, I use the frozen one, so it's kind of cheaper, save me some money. And at the same time, I don't mind doing the dirty work. Now we're gonna make cuts at the side of the fish to allow the oil get into the skin when we fry it. As you see here, I'm trying to cover it all with the flour. I want to cover every inch. Now I'm gonna fry it. And you remember that cut? I covered it all with the flour, and this is gonna be very crispy when it get out. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, please show me that you like it. Hit the like button, also leave comment. You can also subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you again. My name is Lamia, by the way.